We tripled. My business tripled my gross sales in a year.
And we'd had an increase in profit of 157%, which is a pretty amazing statistic. So
our business, I guess, in turnover has grown by 150%.
I estimate a 15% increase in my revenue, but what's the most surprising thing is the ease that revenue, increase in revenue has come.
We've had a 20% increase in overall revenue for the company, which in our industry, if you can grow by 3%, you're doing well.
5 years ago we were turning over about $4 million. Now it's up to 10 and it's growing at a nice even pace.
Since working with our Action Coach, which has been about 13 months, we've had a 700% increase in our net profit.
I think a 300% increase in profits the first quarter alone.
We've gone from a very small turnover, 200,000 a year turnover, to in the first 18 months $1 million, which was a big jump.
I had to double check only last month because I couldn't believe it. It was 500% profit, and this is achieved over 3 months alone.
since starting out with our Action Coach, our turnover has increased by 58%, so it's been a great result in a short period of time.